We're fortunate to live in a time where we can use technology to benefit us in our daily lives, and in this video we look at 5 apps that can help you improve your productivity. Before we begin, please note this video isn't sponsored and just my personal opinion. Number 1. Todoist. Todoist is a fantastic to-do list app, having helped millions of people organize their daily tasks. All you need to do this is to note down all of the different tasks you need to do in your day. The software will then categorize the tasks for you based on your entries. For example, if you add a task to have lunch with someone at 1 PM, Todoist can automatically schedule a reminder for you at the given time and add it as a meeting. Number 2. Toggle. Toggle is a simple and intuitive time tracker app that's extremely easy to use. With it, you can track the time you spend on a given activity or task, and it isn't limited to a single device, so you could use it on your phone and switch off your tablet if needed. Once complete, it will collate the data collected and show you how you spent your time, giving you the chance to review the time you spend doing certain tasks. Number 3. Slack. Slack has grown to be hugely successful and has been adopted in many industries as a collaborative communication tool. It allows various channels to be created, each one for a specific purpose or a team of people. On the app, people can come in and out of conversations easily, and it's easy to follow and search specific channels. You can also share other media, such as documents, in case you need to provide something to members on the channel. Number 4. Hootsuite. One that must be mentioned for anyone that's active on social media, especially businesses, is Hootsuite. It allows you to update your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube and LinkedIn pages from one app, without needing to log into each individual platform. This is a great time saver for anyone who is active on more than one form of social media. And best of all, you can schedule when you share a post or upload on social media, with Hootsuite automatically adding it for you at the scheduled time. Number 5. Trello. Trello is a project management app that makes managing projects less stressful and better structured. It allows people to break projects down into smaller chunks by creating cards for individual tasks. These cards can then be arranged into specific columns that represent different phases of the project. When a task is completed for a card, the card can be dragged from one column to the next, identifying it's at the next stage of the project. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe as we help you live life on your terms. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to ensure YouTube notifies you of the latest uploads.